We guide you through how to install Chrome browser on iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Then tap the search tab at the bottom right and type Google Chrome. In the search bar, look for the official app developed by Google LLC and make sure it has the correct logo. Then tap the Get button or the cloud icon if you've downloaded it before. Authenticate using your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, and wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, tap Open or Find Chrome on your home screen. Launch the app and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account if you want to sync bookmarks, history, and passwords across devices. You can skip this step if you prefer. Next, set Chrome as your default browser by going to Settings, scrolling down to Chrome, tapping the default browser app, and selecting Chrome. And that's it.